Hey guys, today we're in the junkyard. We got my tools right there, and then we got the car right here. Very cool, right? We got the radiator right there. We got some wheels. We got the doors. Very cool. Everything seems complete. But what we came here to see was the fenders and the bumpers, right? Now we already saw my cars. You know what's missing? We need the front fenders, which is missing. But we're gonna get that from eBay. Why? Because it's cheaper, right? eBay could get a two for $70 right here. It's obviously $92 each. All right. So besides that, we see the doors right here, and the fender and the doors right here, very good. It's not bad. We're not gonna take the door. We're gonna try to fix it. If we can't fix it, then we'll come back for the door some of the time. But we got the fenders right here. We got all this, and we got a radiator, which we're gonna get today. All right. So we got a headlight right here as well. Nice surprise. Very cool headlight. Seems to be good. We might even take it. Is it right side, left side? Let's check it out. Not bad. This seems to be left side right there. Boom, perfect. All right, so we're gonna take this one because, right side, passenger side. So we're gonna take this one for sure because we need it, right? Awesome, so that's already a plus. On eBay, it might cost us probably like $100, maybe like $80, $70. So right here, maybe it's like, I don't know, $60. Hopefully, we'll check the price. If it's too much, we'll leave it. We'll check the price again on eBay. But the good thing is that we got this. We're going to get all this today. So we're basically going to get the front so we could take it and we could replace it on the black car. Remember? It was overheating a little bit, and that's because it's a radiator. Oh, actually, the silver car. So we're going to replace it on the silver car. So we're going to do that. And pretty much all I'm going to do is see me work, right? All right. So to begin with, in this video, like I said, I'm gonna show you how to remove the radiator. It's pretty simple. First, you see the hoses. We're gonna disconnect the hoses. Might be some leakage, but that doesn't matter. But first, I'm gonna show you guys, obviously, how to remove. All right, sorry. Damn. So again, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the radiator and the whole top part of the radiator cover, right? So we're gonna get the radiator and the radiator support. We're gonna take it with it along with the AC condenser, right? And to begin with, obviously we see the screws right here. We're gonna remove them, but first of all, remember, remove the wire harness, right? The wires on the sides, everything on the wires on the sides, we have to remove it. Why? Because if not, every time when you disconnect it, we remove everything, you're gonna pull all the wires out, right? So after removing the wires, we're gonna remove the bolts, and that's pretty much it. Everything should come out one by one, all right? So we're gonna start, and I'm gonna show you guys how. So pretty much to start off, we just remove these. This one, since we don't need it, we just remove the whole thing. Now, if we do need it, obviously, all we gotta do is press on this one, and we pull it out, right? Just like this one right here, these are all sensors. This one goes on top of this one, right there. You press on the little bottom right here, and just pull it out, right there, boom. As you can see, it's all bolted by a Phillips screwdriver, so we could just get a screwdriver and start removing everything. Including these tabs are usually bumper tabs. All I gotta do is get a flathead screwdriver and remove it. All right, this is how you pretty much, there you go, that's a little piece. This is pretty much it. That's how you remove goes one right there, another one right there. That's how you remove covers and bumpers, right? Pretty simple. And then the rest is just pretty much flathead screwdrivers, Phillips screwdrivers, and you just turn them around like that. Pretty cool, pretty simple. All right, I think they're also bumper tabs, but these are actually easier. You get a Phillips screwdriver and you just remove it. All right, I should have brought in a different a chest cam or something so I could show you guys a little bit better. But I'm gonna have to go with this one by one. All right, that's pretty much how we start removing it. After that, we get one of these, the same size as this one. This one seems to be, let's say, probably like a 10 millimeter, or maybe an 8 millimeter, and we're gonna start removing each single one of them. All right.